A tongue is a weapon that bleeds. Have you ever heard of that? A tongue is a weapon that bleeds. Have you ever thought about what that really means? You see, words have power. They can lift someone up or they can tear them down. But when words are spoken in anger, words can leave wounds that may never heal. Unfortunately, today I want to talk to you about how words said in anger can cause damage that might last a lifetime. I'm also going to talk to you about how we can do what we can do to control this powerful weapon. Hi, everyone. Welcome to CJC's Motivation. You see, I want you to think about this. Think about it carefully. Have you ever been in an argument where you said something that you didn't mean? When you said something, oops, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Maybe it was to someone that you love, to your parent, to your sibling, to your partner, to your friend. At that moment, you thought it was just anger talking, but later you felt terrible for saying that. If this has ever happened to you, then I want to let you know that you are not alone. It has happened to all of us. We are guilty as charged. That's right. But here is the thing. Words can hurt more than we realize. Yes. Imagine you are in a fight with someone. You feel angry, frustrated, and you're hurt. So you say things that are sharp. Oh yes, you know what I mean. You say things that are sharp, really, really sharp. Maybe you say you will never succeed. You are so difficult to love. I regret meeting you or having you in my life. You said, I regret the day I met you. I regret marrying you. Or you said, you are useless. Those words come out quickly. They feel like a release at the moment as you are saying those words to those people. But what happens next? For you, it might feel better after you have said it. But for the other person, those words stick. They can hear them over and over in their head, even when the fight is long over. Here is the truth. Words spoken in anger are like throwing a stone. Once it is thrown, you can't take it back. And just like a stone can leave a bruise or a dent, words can leave deep emotional scars. Let me share a story with you. There was a boy, I'm sure you may have heard this story before. There was a boy who had a terrible anger. So his father gave him a bag of nails to, for him. Every time he loses his temper, he should hammer a nail into the fence. At first, the boy hammered many nails every day. Over time, he learned to control his anger, and eventually, he didn't need to hammer any more nails. Hear this. Then his father said to him, now begin to pull the nails out of the fence. The boy did as he was told, but the fence was full of holes. Then his father said to him, this is what happens when you say things in anger. Even if you apologize, the scars remain. You create holes. Isn't that true? This is about times someone has said something to you. When this person said it to you and apologized later, but you still, those words remain painfully. You see, we can stop ourselves from saying things we will regret. It is possible. And this is what I want to share with you today. I want to share 3 simple steps or tips that can help. If you are still here listening to me, please, I want to ask you to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who may want to hear it. Thank you for helping me. Okay, tip number 1, pause before you speak. The first tip is to pause before you speak. When you are in a situation and you feel anger rising and you want to say something, I've been there. The best thing to do is to stop. Stop, take a deep breath. Count to 10 before you speak. If you are too upset to talk, it is okay. You walk away for a moment. Give yourself time to calm down so that you don't have to say something, so that you don't say something that you will regret. Okay, tip number 2, focus on how you feel. This is very, very important. Focus on how you feel, not on what the other person did wrong. For example, instead of saying, "You are so selfish," try saying, "I feel upset when you said this." Instead of saying, "You said this, said, I heard you say." You see, when you talk about your feeling, it is less likely to hurt the other person, and it will help them to understand your point of view without feeling attacked. Tip number 3, apologize and learn. Oh yes, apologize and learn. So this tip is simple, but it's powerful. If you say something hurtful, apologize. "I'm sorry, I didn't mean it." We all make mistakes, no doubt about it. But a sincere apology can show the other person that you care. Say, "I am sorry for what I said. I didn't mean it. I will try better next time." Apologize. And don't stop at the apology. Learn from it. Practice staying calm. And that will help you to break away from saying hurtful things. Remember, controlling your words isn't just about protecting others. It is also about protecting yourself. It is about protecting your relationships. When you speak calmly and kindly, even in tough moments, you build stronger relationships. You create trust and understanding. But when you let anger control your words, you risk breaking those bonds. You see, sometimes those broken bonds, they are difficult. They're very difficult to fix. Oh wow, okay. It is not always doom and gloom. Here is the good news. It is never too late to start. If you have said something hurtful in the past, you can take steps now to get them, to remedy them. If you're working on controlling your temper now, every effort you make or you take will make a big difference. As you know me, here is my challenge to you. I always give a challenge. Here is my challenge. The next time you feel angry, pause, take a deep breath. Think about what those words you are saying, think about them. Ask yourself, will this help the situation or will it cause pain? If it will cause pain, step back, take it back. Find a better way to express yourself. Words are powerful. They can build someone, like I said before, and they can tear them down. You see, they can help or they can destroy. So let us use our words. Let's choose kindness even in difficult times, because a tongue is a weapon. It can also be a gift, and it is up to us to choose what we do with it. If this message has inspired you, check out other videos on the screen right now. You will benefit immensely from them. And I want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone that might need to watch it. Don't forget to subscribe, please, for more motivational videos. And I will see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.